In this video, we're going to learn some prepositions of place: in, on, under, above, below, next to, in front of, between, and behind. They are used to describe the location or position of something or someone. In is used to indicate something inside a space. For example, the cat is in the box. Another example is, the man is in his car. On is used to indicate something placed on a surface. For example, she is sat on a chair. Another example is, the computer, cup, and plant are on the table. At is used to show a specific point or location. For example, in answer to the question, where does she work, you could say, she works at the market. Another example, where are Samantha and Jenny?
They're at the park.
Under is used to indicate something below another object. For example, the cat is under the car. Another example is, the roots of a tree grow under the ground. You can also say, the roots of a tree grow below ground. Above is used to indicate something higher than another object. Here's an example, the helicopter is above the man. Another example is, the roots of a tree grow under the ground, and the rest of the tree, the trunk, leaves and branches, grow above the ground. Below is used to indicate something lower than another object. For example, the man is below the helicopter. Next to is used to indicate something beside another object. For example, the cat is next to the dog, or the dog and the cat are next to each other. In front of is used to indicate something in front of another object. For example, the cat is in front of the bus. Between is used to indicate something in the middle of two objects. For example, the bus is between the cat and the guitar. Behind is used to indicate something at the back of another object. For example, the guitar is behind the bus. Here are some more example sentences. Repeat them after me. The keys are in the drawer. The clock is on the wall. We are at home. The dog is under the table. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. A few more example sentences. Repeat them out loud. The basement is below the main floor. The chair is next to the desk. The shop is between the bank and the post office. The garden is behind the house. The statue is in front of the museum. That's it for this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Rewatch the video if you need to, and keep practicing. Bye for now.